Bye guys.
Sudah berapa lama aku menunggu jawaban darimu. Sampaikah kepada.
In this video, we will discuss about how air conditioner central works. So, let's begin.
Central air conditioning is one of the most convenient and energy efficient ways to get relief from the hot, humid summer with a drop-out connectivity. Whether you are planning to install an AC system for the first time or looking to upgrade your current system, it is important to understand your AC options. The central in a central air conditioning comes from the fact that the system conditions the entire building from unlike central location in your home.
Okay, for the more information, let's change the place. Oops, wrong place. Okay, we are here. Domestic time. Let's go.
A central air conditioner have a few main components. The first is a fan. Fan have a function to pull the air through the system. And the second, evaporating coil. Evaporating coil can change refrigerant from liquid to gas. And the third is a compressor. A compressor can increasing pressure from refrigerant gas.
Yeah, the next component is condenser coil, refrigerant line, and expansion device. Condenser coil turn refrigerant into liquid. Refrigerant line which carry refrigerant between coils, and an expansion device which regulates refrigerant flowing through the evaporator,
in which we have water tubes from which water will be flowing. These are the valves for steam. In steam will be entered from the upper side, and condensate will be out from the lower side, which will be in liquid form, and from the left hand side there will be coolant. Coolant is water, and then this water will be flowing through this tube. And when this heated steam will come into contact with these cooled tubes, they will convert into condensate by giving their latent heat to the cold water. Coolant will be out from right side. This is example of refrigerant line. Air conditioning system rely on movement and the change of state of refrigerants between an outdoor condenser coil and an indoor evaporator coil. The lines that carry the refrigerant between the evaporator and condenser coils and through the compressor and expansion device typically are copper. The larger line typically carries a cool gas and is insulated. This is commonly referred to as the suction line, but it is also called the return line or vapor line. The last is expansion device or expansion valve. The expansion valve removes pressure from the liquid refrigerant to allow expansion or change of state from a liquid to a vapor in the evaporator. The refrigerant enters the inlet and screen as a high pressure liquid. The refrigerant flow is restricted by a metal orifice through which it must pass. As the refrigerant passes through this orifice, it changes from a high pressure liquid to a low pressure liquid, or passes from the high side to the low side of the system.
Like a giant refrigerator from your house. In fact, it employs the same material, component, and system just like a refrigerator, including a refrigerant that changes from liquid to gas and go back to liquid as it travels through the tubes and coil or fins that collect and give off heat. But what and how exactly the central air conditioner work?
The central air system uses electricity to convert heat into cold air by using a compressor cycle, much like a refrigerator, only in a larger space. The cycle allows heat to be transferred from the inside of the room to the outside in the cycle. In the cycle, refrigerant, a special fluid, is used whereby the heat is absorbed and released. When it changes from liquid to gas, it absorbs the heat. Nonetheless, it releases the heat during phase change from gas to liquid.
Central air conditioner can blow cool air into the system and out through the supply air in located in each room.
Hello guys, thank you for watching our videos. I hope you are understand what we are saying, what we are explanation about AC Central, what is AC Central is, and how AC Central work. And if you like this video, keep watching us and please like and subscribe and comment this channel. Thank you so much and see you again.